The hardest parts about being a mother are made easy with the new Moto G Power. The triple camera system makes capturing my little one's special moments even better. Oh, I should mention, all my children are plants. The 50-megapixel main sensor with quad pixel technology delivers 4 times the low light sensitivity for sharp and bright images. Say hello to my little friend. Macrovision brings you 4 times closer to your subject for details that you might miss otherwise. If any of my babies aren't feeling well, I send a close-up to my plant doctor. Root rot? Again? I knew it. Ooh, and the depth sensor gives you professional-looking portraits. It works along with the main camera to blur out everything in the background that's unnecessary, like friends and family. With dual capture, you can use the front and back cameras together to take split-screen videos or photos. A little bit of water every morning. When nurturing my babies, I find that a few positive affirmations go a long way. You're perfect. You're strong. You're my daughter. Night vision mode brings out more detail in extreme low-light conditions, so I can finally capture the beauty of my night garden. No more struggling with shadows on my buds or blooms. Plus, there's additional camera features like auto smile capture cutout and group selfie, making family photos a breeze. Ooh, this one's going in the newsletter. Thanks, Moto G Power, for improving this plant mom's life. I'd co-parent with you any day.